Are you having problems with your YouTube Shorts that it says last recording failed and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix it myself. So what I did firstly is that I exited my YouTube app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone right here, as you can see. So now in your settings app, then what you're going to do in here is to just scroll down and then you're going to click on general in here, as you can see. And now in general, just scroll down and click on storage right here. And then you're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for it to load right here. And now when it's done, we can scroll down and find YouTube in here. So I'm just going to keep scrolling down, click on show all here, keep on scrolling down until you can see the YouTube app. Hopefully it's going to be somewhere down here perhaps. Maybe it's even I hope I didn't pass it actually. But by the way, we can actually scroll all the way up instead then and click on search right here. Then you're going to search for YouTube, as you can see, and click on the YouTube app. Then click on upload app and once again click on upload app in here. Now we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for it to load here. So just wait a couple of more seconds and we're going to see, and then yeah, click on reinstall app here. So now when you have actually clicked here, you're going to wait for the YouTube app to completely update to its latest version. And then when it's done, go back and try once again, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.